Take a look at this car. It's a Porsche 911 997. It's a C2S, but this does not have a Porsche motor in it. Okay, so obviously the car's rear-wheel drive, rear engine. Engine is in the back. So there's not a Porsche engine in there. Is that correct, Nick?
That's correct.
What is in there?
This engine is the same that's in your car. I bought this car a while ago. I wanted more horsepower, and me being who I am, I specialize in K-Series tuning. I figured I should do a K-Series swap in this car. The original engine was perfect. It was just not as fast as I wanted it to be. It put down 300 wheel horsepower. I knew I could get more horsepower out of a K-Series, so I did the swap.
So this is a stock K24 Z7 engine, which is identical to what we'll find in there, but you have something attached to it.
So
Nick, what is that?
So I turbocharged this engine, and I specialize in tuning turbo K-Series, and I knew it would make a lot of power. So swapped the K-Series in, did a custom turbo setup, and I'm currently on about 10, 11 pounds of boost, and it's making about 430 wheel horsepower, 330 foot-pounds torque. By comparison, the original perfectly good engine that I took out of this, the NA 3.8 liter flat 6 engine that I pulled out of it, only put down 300 wheel horsepower and 250 foot-pounds torque. So significantly more power, stock Honda reliability with lots of room to go. So
Sounds like Nick's got the best of both worlds. Honda reliability and power. Let's see what she can do.
that was just a light bulb.
Yeah, okay, I get it. I get turbo.
There's no comparison.
Yeah, no kidding. So this is still a 2.4 liter, stock displacement, stock motor, just a turbo kit essentially.
Completely internally stock K24 Z7 out of a 2014 Civic Si. I think this one had like 90,000 kilometers. And yeah, like it's a bolt-on turbo kit.
So how many kilometers have you put on this thing so far?
I've put only like 1,500 kilometers on it so far. It's only been done for about a month.
Yep.
So, yeah.
Dude, that's sick. Yeah, buddy, that's unreal.
It's quick.
Yeah, I can imagine anyone that has a regular C2S, if they ride shotgun in this thing, they're just gonna be hating their life. They're gonna have the itch for more power without a doubt. Without a doubt.
There's just no comparison. It feels twice as fast as it used to.
Yeah.
I'm super happy with the results. Like, I realize lots of people won't understand why I did it, but it honestly, once you experience it, it makes total sense.
Yeah. I get it.
Yep.
I get it. Nick, it feels good.
It's super smooth.
Yeah. Hell yeah.
And that's all I do. It only gets beaten on. I very rarely drive it without beating on it. So.
And it does get, can you tell how good it does fuel efficiency wise when you're just cruising or not yet?
No, it doesn't have any of that.
Okay. I'll bet you it's pretty damn good because it's still a 4-banger.
It's not too bad. The problem is I'm always in boost because I'm always beating on it. So it's still getting better fuel economy than it used to.
Yeah.
It's pretty good. I'm happy all around with it.
I imagine. If you guys want to take a look at this car a little bit more in depth, take a look at TuningByNick's YouTube channel. Go give him a like and a subscribe. He'll have lots of Porsche content and lots of Honda content for you.
Exactly.
Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you.